Hey everyone, welcome back. So, the Winklevoss twins are back in the headlines. Gemini is gearing up for a Nasdaq IPO, and here's the twist. Nasdaq isn't just listing them, they're investing $50 million themselves. That's not just validation, that's a handshake from Wall Street saying, welcome to the club. But don't mistake the confetti for a clear runway, because under the surface, the numbers are telling a different story. Let's start with the good. Mainstream validation, check. Nasdaq's backing means crypto exchanges are no longer just outsiders begging for legitimacy. They're now being folded into the financial plumbing itself. Custody services, staking, clearing, all lining up. That's bullish optics, no doubt. But here's where it gets tricky. Wall Street likes the idea, but not everyone's sold on the execution. Analysts at Jefferies and Oppenheimer are neutral. They're basically saying, looks nice, but prove it. Only Citi's stepping in with a buy rating targeting $66 a share. And that's because they're betting long term, not on today's financials, but tomorrow's potential. And those financials? Let's talk reality. Gemini reported a $282 million net loss in the first half of 2025 on just $68 million in revenue. That's brutal. Compare that to last year, and it's a sharp downturn. So yeah, they've got regulatory approval, they've got big partnerships, but they're still bleeding cash. And in public markets, losses don't hide forever. So what does this all mean? It means crypto's crossing the bridge into institutional grade finance, but it's dragging baggage with it. Nasdaq's investment gives Gemini credibility, but it also raises the stakes. Now, they're not just fighting to grow in the crypto world, they're under Wall Street's microscope, and that spotlight is relentless. Here's my take. The IPO is a win for legitimacy, no question, but don't confuse legitimacy with profitability. The mainstream embrace will test not just the hype, but the health of these companies. And if Gemini can't turn those losses around, this win could turn into a cautionary tale real fast. That's it for today's quick take. What do you think? Does Gemini's Nasdaq leap prove crypto's ready for the big leagues, or are we just watching a dressed up bubble stroll onto Wall Street? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more no fluff takes, because in this market, the shine's always brighter than the shadows until the numbers hit. Catch you in the next one.